How to change language on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the language settings on your OnlyFans account. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans and log into your account. You can use either the website or the app version of the platform. After you log into your OnlyFans account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now in order to change language, tap on the profile photo that you can see on the bottom right. After that, you'll find the language that has been set in your account. As you can see, the current language settings on my account is English. Now if you want to change the language settings, you can simply tap on this drop down arrow. Then after it will show you a list of all the languages that are available. You can simply choose the one that you want to set. For example, let's set it to Spanish. Then after it will load for a few seconds. After that, the language change will be applied. Now as you can see, the settings and other things on my account has been changed to Spanish. So in this way you can change language on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.